welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again. Monoprice sub. I'm not too sure of what category fits in the Monoprice line, but it is not a monolith. It's a Select 8, I think. I think it's the newer versions of the budget versions. But I got this only because, as you guys know, I was trying to do a 2-channel thing, seeing if I like it, and I kind of do like it. The sub that I bought was some cheap Amazon sub. It was good. I'm never gonna tell a lie. It was good, but when I cranked it up, I feel like the speakers had more bass than it itself. So without going too crazy, I ordered this thing. You guys know I have the Monolith 10s, and I didn't want to go crazy like that again, and plus I don't have the space for it anyway. So I picked up this Monolith 8-inch Select sub. So this is gonna be in the 2-channel system. I already know if this is not good for me, I'll probably have to upgrade to something else. I already have something in mind that I want to upgrade to if this doesn't, satisfy the needs. But I think this would, because this looks kind of big, and I didn't really want it big, but it's an 8-inch. I don't think it would be that big. I'm hoping it won't be that big, honestly. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So here's the sub. It's tall. Kind of didn't want it tall. I think I have to replace something that I didn't want to replace, but it looks like I have to do it. And I'm hoping this comes off. It's really on there. Jeez. I hope it comes off. Now, one thing that the other sub didn't have that I needed was the auto on and off, because I don't want it to be on all throughout the friggin' week, months, years, just on. So instead of going back of it, turn it on and off, this auto is what I really wanted. So regular inputs, your high level out inputs. Another thing, this did not work on the other sub. I tried it on the other sub, it sounded horrible, so I had to do it through the LFE way. LFE input, low level input, of course unbalanced. Volume knob, frequency knob, phase, and auto on and off. Power switch and detachable power cable and the fuse. Oh, here we go. Well, no, that's not it. I think it's called a Monolith Select, I think. Not Monoprice Select, if I'm not mistaken. It's pretty light. Let me see if I can take this front grill off. Damn, that was a pain. That grill was like glued on or something. But there's a regular peg and grommet, plastic pegs. It is dual vented. It says it goes down to 40 hertz, which is good for 2-channel listening. You don't want anything going too deep anyway. I'm sure in smaller rooms you can use this for a theater sub, but I don't see myself doing it. 8-inch. This is the size of my towers. My tower driver is the same size as this. But yeah, that's basically the unboxing. This is for my 2-channel setup, and I'm praying it sounds good. If it doesn't sound good, or if it doesn't tickle my fancy, I know exactly what I want next after this, and I'm sure you guys will kind of figure it out too. So that's it for the unboxing. Monolith Select, why do I keep saying Monolith? Monoprice Select 8-inch subwoofer. All right, guys, peace.